In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up Borrowell account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in borrowell.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Borrowell. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is click on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Or you can also click on this option sign up for free that you can see right over here. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign up interface of Borrowell. What you have to do is enter your email address and create the password for yourself. Click on the field of email address and enter your email address over here. Now once you do that, click on the field of password and create a very strong password for yourself. You'll be able to see the requirements over here. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, lowercase letters, uppercase letters and numbers. So simply create the password accordingly. Now once you create the password, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now in order to get started, what you have to do is provide your personal information and your residential address. So what you have to do is scroll down and check on this box. You're basically consenting to the terms and conditions of Borrowell. Now click on this option get started. Now after you do that, you'll have to fill in the form over here. So what you have to do is enter your legal first name. Likewise, enter the legal last name over here. Now click on this option continue. Now enter your address, click on the field of address. After that, you'll be able to search the address. Or you can also enter the address manually by clicking on this option enter address manually. Now click on the continue option. First of all, click on the field of month. Now simply select the month over here. Likewise, enter the day. Likewise, enter the year over here. Now click on this option continue. Now enter your phone number. Now after you do so, click on the continue option. Now what you have to do is select your income. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on the continue option. Now what you have to do is select the options that describe your situation. Simply click on the options of your choice. Now likewise, you'll be able to select the most you're interested in right now. Simply click on the options of your choice and click on this option continue. Now you can see over here your Borrowell account will be created. So that is how you sign up for Borrowell account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.